Hello people! Have you ever had a feeling that you want to learn something new but didn't know what or where to start? Well, I sure did. Welcome to Random Wiki. Today's article is going to be about Wojciech Alaborski.
Oh, I don't think so.
First off, I believe we should introduce some rules for sake of making it interesting. So, first one. No people unless they were really interesting. Second, no controversial or current political topics. And third, it can't be boring. If it's going to be one of those three, I'm going to skip it. Much better. So, beehives. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Cool. Okay. Hives are by definition human-made objects designed specifically for harvesting honey, and nests are natural-made, usually hanging and exposed. Two most production-use types of bees are western honeybee, or Apis mellifera, and the eastern honeybee, Apis serena. Bees serve several purposes apart from honey production. They are also used to pollinate nearby crops, also used for apitherapy treatment. Also, in various states, they are transported every now and then for their positive effect on environment. Now, with basics out of the way, let's get to the real juicy stuff. First beehives date back to ancient Egypt during antiquity. This is backed up by a detailed description on the tomb of Papsa from the 26th dynasty and discovery of 30 intact hives in ruins of city of Rehov in today's Israel. This is the part of the evidence there already had been advanced honey industry in Israel, approximately 4,000 years ago. The beehives, made of straw and unbaked clay, were found in orderly rows, with the total of 150 hives, though many were already broken. But not to get stuck on Assassin's Creed Origins, let's go over various other types of hives. Mud hive, clay hive, scaps, bee gums, and various other vertical and horizontal ones. Yes, each and every one of them have their own specific history and functionality, so if you want to learn more, there's a link in the description. Also, while down there, like and subscribe if you enjoy my content. Thank you!